Privitika, good morning. Welcome to the club 645. I'm Lana and it's a place where I became flexible, strong, healthier. Now we have a little bit random timing, but at 6:45 a.m. in the morning, Kyiv time, I always have a practice for you there in Telegram group. So if for you it's important to have some little 10 minutes practice with me every morning, it's a still opportunity, even if it's shut down or something like that, because in Telegram you can download it and you can have it anytime. Тож зараз у нас буде така міні-практика, трошки пізніше через графік світла, але, як кажуть, нічого. So, here we go. It's going to be a 10-15 minutes flow to wake up the spine. And if you're curious to get to know me, how I start teaching, about my past, about my education, you can find a new post in Telegram about it. But we are starting. We're going to take inhale, reach both hands up. Hold on the top. Try to elevate your shoulders to the ears. Так прям приклеїли плечі. Витягнули ще наверх. Exhale. Open to the cactus. Try to make your exhale a little bit longer than your inhale. Ми робимо такий подовжений видих для того, щоб дати команду мозку на розслаблення і переключення, таку перезарядку за 10 хвилин. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Cactus. It doesn't matter how you take an exhale, through the nose or through the mouth, up to you. For me, through the mouth it works a little bit faster, kind of switch off for the brain. Last but not least, maybe add the rounding and more arching, engaging your tailbone. Last but not least, well done. Hold maybe on a cactus. 4, 3, 2, 1. Grasp both hands behind. Add a little bit pressure with your head. Так, ми трошки надавили зараз замок потилицею. І відчули таке витяжіння в попереку. І подивилися вниз. Переключилось зараз у нас таке витяжіння на задню поверхню шиї. Тих, хто тренується стійками і так далі, можуть відчути зараз дуже такий прям оргазм. I was saying if you're practicing handstands right now, for you it's like a special 9 heaven starts. Well done. And we're gonna draw 2 circles from right to the left. And to the left as well, 2 more. Well done. Maybe stay on one side, maybe add the arm. To make it a little bit more deeper, you can add the elbow. Other side. Remember to balance both sides. Well done. And then a little bit stretch of the arm and the elbow. To make it more interesting, you can go to the side stretch, you can extend, you can grab like this way, and a little bit breathe here. Remember to do the same to another side. How you doing today? You can let me know from what country you train with me, from what city. Та поділіться, хто звідки тренується зі мною зараз. Бо коли ви відкрили практику. Super. Now we're gonna go to the knees and we're gonna do a cross. If it's uncomfortable, you can elevate your knee, place like a pillow underneath. It will be a bit easier. Or you can do a classic way, knee parallel. You're gonna do cat-cow. Inhale on arch. Exhale on round back. But actually you can do as well here. Inhale and exhale this way. Both ways are good. But classic way, we go here, exhale. Inhale, arch. 2 more. Well done. І ще раз. Можна затриматись. We can stay a little bit longer here in the round spine. Well done. And now we're going to draw the circle with the hip from right to the left and from left to the right. Well done. And now we're going to draw some circles. You're going to extend this leg to the side. You're going to try to engage your knee and a toe. And you're going to slide all the way back. Maybe sit, maybe just cross it. And bring the leg forward. For make it a little bit harder, you can do it in the air. Like this way. and all the way forward. Or you can do it on the floor. Both very good. And one more time. And this time bring it to the side. Open the toe to the side, elevate yourself, and go to some certain squat in that position. If you feel nothing here, you can elevate the heel, you can add the arching and maybe just do like this option for fold. Or as well, you can elevate this leg and stay here. 4, 3, or maybe like this way. Both very good. 2, 1. Well done. We're switching the side. Starting from cat-cow. Inhale. And excellent. Let me know if you're interested in a live stream where I will share about my concept of all my communities, because I relaunched my 645 club and I explain why again in this group on Telegram, because for me it's important, my community, and not only, and we bring the leg, even if it's free community, for me it's important. This is who I work. So we'll go to another side, and 2 more. Well done. Last but not least. And those one will be to the side. We open and we stay and breathe here. Could be some bounces, could be fold, could be like line fold. I was doing on elevation, so I do on elevation. Yeah, I think it's equal. And we can stay here 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. After this, we go to activate the frontline fascia. It's actually the main thing that all days the scientists saw. We're gonna do like pump in a fold or in a lunge. So in all days, the scientists thought that fascia is just a layer, like part of the skin epidermis, but turns out this last years that it's a whole organ, and it has receptors, and not only one type, it's like 3 types. And sometimes the fascia can cause you a pain and the stiffness feeling, not muscles. That was what's cool about, right? And we switch the leg. That's movements which we do here every morning is very, very good for the daily life and for your yoga practice or any physical activity. And now we go to the plank, or you can do it from knees. Any variation of plank could be side, but if you pick the side one, remember to balance on both sides equally. And we stay, could be from elbows, could be from knees. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to chaturanga maybe, all the way down. And now we're gonna again elevate the legs and arms up. You can open them. You can elevate only one thing at a time, like this, for example. You can do both. You can add the elbow plank. For me now, I will pick the passive position, a little bit to wake myself and work towards with my soreness of the handstand and my back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lie down, and we're gonna do a spine twist variation. For beginning, we're gonna keep 2 elbows on the mat, and after we're gonna add open shoulders. Maybe stay in this position, take inhale and exhale. If after practice you might notice that you want to change a little bit your daily schedule, or you want to continue and have a longer class, that's okay. That's a side effect of regular classes, and that's how your brain works. And we maybe do some cobra, because all positions with the back bends helps you to feel more happy, because of this part the muscles have such interesting placement where kind of it's I don't really believe in hormone thing in yoga, but somehow it works. Yeah, it's super close to the place where hormones produced, and you really have a bit more endorphins if your practice contain back bends. If you have a back pain during back bends, you're just doing them wrong, or it's a wrong variation for you. I can help you with that. Just let me know. Or join my club UA, Club 645, or in English it's English Yoga Club. Тож, пам'ятаємо, що якщо болить щось у прогині, то ви просто підібрали не ту версію вправи, яка актуальна для вашого тіла саме зараз. Такі справи. Але все вирішується. Тож приходьте, доєднуйтесь до клубу UA. До кінця цього тижня ще є бонус. Також можна просто прийти на гнучке та фактурне 3.0 або у безоплатний клуб 645. Лінк у біо, телеграм-група. Welcome. So after that, we don't forget to compensate the back bending with the rounding back. If you have a little bit more energy, it's nice to add some activity, for example, the plank, or I love this kind of shoot out from child pose to the plank, like this way. Fewer times, and maybe just stay 4, 3, 2, 1. Last but not least, we need to activate the hip flexor a little bit more and the glutes, and then you're ready, recharged and ready for everything, I would say. Останнє з чого, що ми сьогодні повинні включити, це трошки стоп, хіп-флексорів і сідниці. Піднімаємо таз наверх. В кого є міст, там можна одразу звідси повиходити в міст, можна поробити такі віджимання на голову аля. І не забуваємо подавати ось сюди більше вперед. Корпус так. Знову таки, нема муду, нема мосту, як такого стабільного навику, як чищення зубів. Не робимо його на цьому етапі, бо є багато інших вправ. Well done. Hug both knees. A little bit core activation. Hip flexor we're going to do like this way, but if you want to engage more hip flexor, you're going to add the pressure. Для тих, кому треба трошки включити ще оцю передню лінію, в кого болить поперек, отак ми ще давимо на це коліно і активуємо прес. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, in. Or maybe not. Oh my God. Start slowly forgetting Danish. My big challenge, not only handstand, but Danish language one day. And we're going to bring the heels to the child, happy baby pose. Why I want to call it child? I don't know. Let me know how you call this position. Don't forget, maybe extend the legs if it feels good. And afterwards, when you finish this position, what I love about the classes in recordings that later you can just, stop, stay a little bit longer in some positions, find your perfect amount for today. Maybe some splits. Yeah, it depends all on your, maybe some open fold. Don't forget about another leg. Yeah, just a little bit. You can add a little bit back bend. Yeah, anything which feels good for you. Take deep inhale. And especially if you're flexible like me naturally. I mean, not really naturally, but like hypermobility, dysplasia of soft tissues. If you're my bro, let me know first of all. And if not, and also for all of us, it's really healthy to just sometimes spend time in this position, goddess pose. I love it. And we're going to finish this practice today in that position. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. Thank yourself for this practice. I thank you for the practice. And have a wonderful day, evening. Next live stream actually will be today, I think, in 3 hours. Because I have really weird light schedule today. And I believe that 3:30 Kyiv time today, I can manage it. Because I want to do one more live stream with a soft passive stretch. Plus where we will talk about my claps a bit. So, трошки буде корисного, трошки цікавого. До зустрічі у наступному лайвстрімі. Чекаю ваші питання, якщо є. Thank you so much for practice. Don't forget to find a new Telegram group with Club 645. And see you another time. Thank you so much.